Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Annie. Now we are in our factory. These free drinks and snacks vending machine are going to ship to America. This is a 90-inch touchscreen drinks and snacks vending machine. There are 6 layers of the trays. The top line has 10 slots for drinks, 6 and 5 slots on these layers for snacks. By the way, the trays can be customized according to the type and size of the goods. It can support credit cards, bill, and coins. Let me show you. When we choose the product what we want, we use Naya's payment system by credit card. Then it will fall down to the pickup door, we push it and take it out. If you don't like the appearance, it can be customized. It's so hard. Okay, we offer 1-year warranty and lifetime service. If you are interested in our products, please contact us.